Hello and welcome. My name is Sarah Madden, and today I'm going to be presenting my product. So I have a question for you. What power do you have? Well, I'll tell you that the agriculture industry has the power to change our lives. Currently, the agriculture industry is struggling because of poor management. Growing your own produce at home can save you trips to the grocery store, you can be supporting the environment, and building new skills. So to further introduce myself, I'm a college student pursuing urban and regional planning. I took a 16-week course focusing on human geography and the socioeconomic status of our world. I learned that EG stands for economic globalization, which is the process in which markets gain economic success. Export of goods dominate the economic business. So today I will be covering the state of crops, social and economic climate, and the solution to all of this. So let's begin with crops and GMOs, specifically the ones being grown in South America, which are contributing to the colonization of agricultural life. The soybean system, also known as the soybean nation of Argentina, produces tons of soybeans that dominate agriculture industry. So GMO crops cannot be a long-term solution. Let me tell you why. So Larry Hernandez, a climate researcher, found the relationship between climate change and waterfall, which may be affecting soybean production and the cost of inputs. Hernandez found out that it reflects larger agriculture sensitivity to economic factors such as international commodities, market prices, which are highly variable, and commercialization roles of the national market. It becomes clear that agriculture sector has become more vulnerable to rainfall, and producers may have developed a higher sensitivity to climate change variation. The cost of maintaining crops and delivering satisfactory products has raised questions about the social and ecological damage. Agriculture industry is growing rapidly, and we cannot maintain transgenic crops anymore. GMO crops are not long-term solutions. The book, The Future of GMO Crops, Lessons from the Green Revolution, reveals that GMOs are not long-term solutions, quoting, GMO crops may adversely affect non-target species. For example, a GMS protected plant targeting pests may spread toxin-containing tissues, which pollen that may contaminate food or non-target linked insects. To solve this problem, people can invest in in-home growing produce packages, crop box. This service provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the delicious success. Not only does it decrease the social and ecological stress from the crop expansion, but it also learns about the importance of nutritious. Simply by subscribing, you can have an at-home mini crop in your space that is comfortable to you, and a 4x4 foot start. If you would like to minimize pot size, you may do so. These are options in size to fit your lifestyle. Growing your own produce will serve you every need and give control back to you and not to the agricultural business. So to put this all in perspective for you, Clive James, chair of the ISAAA Board of Directors, reported in the Global Status of Commercialized Transgenic Crops from 2003 that the global area of transgenic crops increased by 15%, which is 9 million hectares or 22.2 million acres. In 2015, Argentina alone hit 24.5 million hectares in soybean, maize, and cotton. So 2 football fields is roughly 1 hectare. So imagine 49 million football fields. Yes, that much land exists. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing, but I cannot say it very. So please excuse me for any errors. So crops sustain many lives, but consumers are not aware of the exponential growth and importance of space. Land and soil are limited space. In Europe, according to the European Environment Agency data collection, most land take from UPAs took place in arable lands, a loss of 1,415 kilometers or 47% of arable land, which impacts food security, carbon, and the maintaining biodiversity. And here's the graph maintaining all that information. As you can see, it is an outstanding amount of land. Dropbox is committed to stopping the exploitation of land and restoring the beautiful, lush environment which an at-home gives you. This provides an opportunity to connect with the community and bond with others and learn a little bit more. The education system has recognized the study of biological functions to prove the importance of understanding life. In my experience, biology has contributed to my interest in knowing more about the social culture world. So, in conclusion, farms have damaged the social and ecological space, which Cropbox increases by providing healthy solutions in a compact, sustainable design. Agriculture industry is failing, destroying the environment because of poor management. Growing your own organic produce at home can save you from the agriculture industry. Subscribe today to Cropbox today and enjoy the thousands of people who are giving back to the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. This topic means a lot to me and my future in urban and regional planning. Although you don't have to be a planner to know what's next, Cropbox will help you along the way. Thank you so much for listening.